Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show when you're active on Messenger. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and then click on the settings icon at the top on the right side. Tap on active status, which is the second option in the middle of the screen, and here you can show when you're active by tapping on this button on the right side of the screen. So your friends and connections can see when you're active or recently active on this profile. And you can also turn on the show when you're active together feature, so your friends and connections can see when you're both active in the same chat. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.